here at Hughes Hardwoods, and today we are getting the walnut panels drum sanded for our table. It's my GTI doing too much duty in there. Step inside. These are the panels. That's the monster sander that's gonna take it down to final thickness. So, yeah.
A lot of noise and a lot of dust, so literally days of work.
So we've got everything sanded up. Everything is now flat on both sides, and both sides are parallel, which is actually more important. So we will head over to joinery pretty soon. Let these sit for a few days to kind of acclimate to the temperature swings that are going on in the shop. But yeah, more exciting things to come. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.